Hi guys, welcome to Cara Motorhomes. Today I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to de-winterize your motorhome. Tag your friend to make sure that they're ready for the coming winter. First thing you need to do is make sure that the fresh water and the wastewater are empty. Then by opening the taps it allows the water to run back through the system. In this particular motorhome there is a drain off valve on the boiler. This allows the water to be drained out. Making sure there's no water left in the system is very important when the frost sets in. Make sure to clean out the fridge and freezer and leave them ajar. Also a good tip is to place these dam traps around the motorhome. We would also recommend that you remove the cushions if you're not going to be using the motorhome for an extended period of time. Another good tip is to use chocks to raise up the front of the motorhome, which will stop the water from lodging in these areas. And ideally you'll have the water running off the back. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below and we'll try and help you out.